I swear to God, I'll never do another try on haul. What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, and I'm standing up. No, I'm just playing. Suzie B back again with another video. So today, it's gonna be a different video. I ain't never, ever did a video like this before. We're gonna do a haul. Let me stop. I need to go for TikTok. We're gonna do a Fashion Nova haul. Why are we doing a Fashion Nova haul? Because I have a shopping problem, and I feel like I should share my shopping problem with y'all. My best friend had a birthday dinner a couple of weeks back, and I bought some outfits as possibilities. I wore one, and I'll post a picture here, but I haven't worn the other ones yet, and I'll wear them in the future. So if you see me on my Instagram in these outfits again, I did not wear them anywhere today. I'm just showing them to y'all. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing when I got my Fashion Nova haul, keep watching. This is a leather pleated skirt. It has a zip and a button on the side. I'll put the size and the link to the actual skirt and everything in the description bar. But yeah, that's the skirt. Okay, now I have a high butt. My booty sit up high. This skirt is way too short to wear in public unless I wear like tights or something underneath. Yeah, it's way too short, but it's cute. This top is a what's the thing called when they plank up? Y'all know I ain't never did this before. You know when they a bodysuit. This is a bodysuit. Has a plunging neckline, really cute, really sexy. I like these sleeves. This will pair nicely with a pair of jeans or even like some high-waisted leggings if your stomach on flat. But if you like me and stick your stomach in your leggings, it may not work that well. But some high-waisted jeans would be cute with this. Or even another skirt, but it's a vibe. I really like this. So this next outfit is not that flattering, but we'll talk about it, okay? So this does not have any clasps or anything. You just kind of be like exposed. So maybe put like a safety pin right here so it'll work. This top is a bodysuit, and I paired it with these satiny pinky pants. I think it looks cute together for like a brunch or something like that. The arms on this is kind of tight right here, but bear in mind I do have that one auntie that can cook me in potato salad, them kind of arms, so yo. Like, I don't understand how y'all do this and get your full bodies. Anyways, this dress is a little black number, you know what I'm saying? I go all the way down past my knees. It's much better. So yeah, it's kind of hard to get into because it's like ruched in different spots. So you kind of like gotta get in there like a slinky. But once you in there, you in there. It's cute. Yada. Okay, I'm done. Anyways, this is my first and last haul. I hope y'all liked it. I won't ever do anything like this again. It's hot. I'm tired. How do y'all do this? Give me some pointers down below. This is tiring. Maybe I shouldn't rush it. Maybe I should allot some time. Maybe I should break it up. Do it over some days. Because all in one day, honey. Yeah, man. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Which outfit was your favorite? Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.